Hey folks, Thack with AOK Foraging and Adventures, and guess what? I'm here. If you guys don't know Jason Williams, you need to check him out. But I'm going to give you guys a tour of where he set me up. I'm like never moving out.
It's in the wall tent.
So, I'll be back and I'll show you guys a few other stuff. I don't know. I'm tired. Well, folks, Jason hooked me up. Yeah, he did. I'm going to turn you guys around, show you how he hooked me up in this. I didn't even think I was going to be staying in such a fancy place. Anyways, turn you around. So look at that. Well, forgive all my stuff being thrown around, but I have my own dining room, my own couch, big screen TV, and down there is a fireplace. I have, let's see. Oh yeah, I even have my own stove, kitchen area. There's like everything I need. Yeah, look at this. This is awesome. And look at the bedroom. Oh, here's the shower right there. That's the restroom. And look at this bedroom. Holy cow. He hooked me up. Big old TV also. I mean, it's awesome. I am a happy camper. Happy camper. Guys, I'm really tired, so I'm just going to eat a little supper, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so we're out doing our first youth hunt for Jason's son. So let me show you this area real quick. Down there. There are the guys right there. All along the ridge over here. Can you guys see this? This is a sage field. Just all over. It's beautiful. Right? Okay. So we saw 3 does already. We're looking for a buck. Because we don't have a doe tag. I don't think we do. I don't know. I think, oh, actually I think we have one. So, anyways, gosh. If you guys could smell this, it'd be awesome. Well, folks, we did not get a deer today. But Jason had to do some work. So I'm going to show you guys what he's doing. Look at this. So this is Jason's business. So if you guys need hats embroidered, t-shirts screened over there, we have all sorts of stuff. And Tassie here does all sorts of other stuff. They made my camp cup. They made me some socks, my t-shirts. I mean, oh, and my handbag. Yeah, remember that? Handbag, yeah. So folks, no deer, but we get some education. Look at this. Yeah. So this whole machine, look at all that. This is a very high-end kind of thing. Before, didn't you used to use a little sewing machine?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yep.
So, guys, I'm going to put the link to their business down in the description box below. If you guys need anything, hey, I hope you really take and give them a chance to help you guys out.
Yeah, let us hook you up.
But today, we are going to go out scouting, see what we're going to be able to hunt this coming weekend. You know, they should put deer crossing signs somewhere else. So that way the deer don't cross here, you know?
They've totally pushed that fence over to get out, because that's a pretty tall fence. They probably can't jump it.
And there she comes more.
Really? I can't make it. I can't make it.
Dring. Man. This is going to be a funny video here. If any of them fall over, it'll go viral.
Go for it. I can't make
it's
it.
A baby one.
I can't make it. Boing.
All right, folks. We got some moose. We have some moose. I'm going to zoom you in. Is it a buck?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah,
Well, she's awful big. Well, folks, scouting is done. We are headed up to the cabin now. We had a rough start this morning, huh?
Yeah.
We did, but everything's good and we're headed up there. It's going to take us an hour to get there. Well, folks, we are almost at the cabin. Can you guys see how beautiful this whole thing is? Look at that.
Sagebrush and cedar trees.
Yeah. I've never seen sage trees before until now. So, and it smells heavenly, I tell you.
What's going on down here?
Uh-oh. They're paving.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Uh-oh. Now what do we do?
It's normally how we get to our cabin. And they decide to pave now after 5 years of having a shitty road. So we might have to go the back road.
Which is rougher, right?
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. Darn it. Alright, we'll see what they say. Well, Jason got us here pretty safe. Through the rough road. We had to do that detour. You guys saw the maintenance. Whew, we're almost there. Well, folks, we finally made it. I am going to insert the pictures of this beautiful place right after this. So I'll see you guys later on. Was that not beautiful? It's beautiful, right? Well, I am in the John Wayne room, or as they call it, the the Wild Stallion Suite, and then Jason is going to be staying in the what is it, Cocapelli room, Ridge. So we have everything unloaded. And I just got to put stuff away. Look at this awesome kitchen. We got all our dry goods still. Jason and I both like ramen noodles, if you guys can't tell. They're great to take on the trail. All we do is boil some water, put it in the cup, and get it going, right? Going on the trail, you always have to be safe. You have to have extra clothes, extra water, and some food. At least that'll give you at least 24-hour chance of survival, right? Anyways, folks, Jason is going to cook up his queso that he made. It's a Papa Texas recipe queso. So, yeah, we're just going to get settled in, and then we're going to get ready after supper tonight. We're going to do a live stream. So, that, like Jason said, that was today, yesterday, tomorrow, whatever, next week. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. Folks, I just realized I didn't end yesterday's video. Look at that view behind me. How could you not love it, right? Folks, until next time, may all your adventures be A-OK.